Have you ever wanted to break your crayons for a reason? This episode of Cooking with Luke, we're going to give you that reason. This episode of Cooking with Luke, we're going to cook something a little bit different. We're going to make heart-shaped crayons. And you're going to need a silicone mold, and you're going to need lots of crayons. I'll show you how to make them after these commercial breaks.
Looking for a great family night out? Luigi's Pizza and Fun Center will amaze you. There's a 4,500 square foot laser tag arena, mini bowling lanes, and prizes galore. The kids can play while mom and dad relax with a full bar. Luigi's Pizza and Fun Center, where our middle name is fun.
Ain't nothing like it. You're gonna love it. Family fun for everyone. Luigi's Pizza and Fun Center.
Welcome back to Cooking with Luke. I'm gonna put the crayons into the silicone. And this is, you might want to fill it halfway, because it's going to get higher and higher. And I'll show you the rest, the next step after this commercial break. Welcome back. You see that I'm by the oven. I'm gonna put this in for 250 degrees and for 15 minutes. I'm gonna ask my dad to help me. This is what they're gonna look like when they're done. I'm gonna give them to my friends. Because I can't bring food or candy. Thank you for watching Cooking with Luke. Happy Valentine's Day.
Rolling.
Have you...